अपने को नेट मिल जाता है, सीढ़ी खरीदनी पड़ती है। नेट का पैक मिल जाता अभी आएगा। 22-23 का अब आएगा। ये तो 21 और 22 का खोल दिया आपने।
As the back, and of course for our smoking area, just go straight at the back. There's a lot of chairs there at the back, then you can use that, guys. Once again, for the safety, floaters is located under your chair. You can check your chair, it's located under your chair. And of course, for some extra drinks, if you want some extra drinks, you just ask to our friend